everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Luxtension collection in the style classic. So I have them on right now, and let me say I love them so much. Since I've been home a lot lately, I've been, cleaning up and, whatnot, getting, just like, I'm sure everybody else is, and, just fixing stuff up. I've been wearing these all week and in pajamas and all that stuff, and I still look cute. No, but like seriously, these lashes are super cute, like really cute. The ends are super long, just like I like them. And yeah, so I am not encouraging anybody to go out to the stores. Stay home, shop online on the Kiss website. You can order it there, and some of them are actually cheaper than going to the store. So stay home with your families and enjoy them. Have fun, look cute with your lashes, okay? So you guys can see them from afar, and yeah, they're super cute. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up like I always do, and yeah. Okay, so that was it. No complaints here, just like they're for going out, and that's my opinion. But right now it's like every day, because if you want to look cute just like all the time, these are just, they just give you that they kind of look like they're so long here that they kind of look like you got eyeliner just a little bit, just because it's kind of dark right here. So it gives you that, cat eye kind of look, Some people might not like that, and that's fine, but it still gives you like a natural look. I'll put the link in the description for the Kiss website. So that's it. That's all I really have to say, because they really are cute. There's not much to really say. There's nothing I dislike about these. I really do like them. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.